Greetings, Namaste. We are the collective energy of the nature spirits. We come with our love, respect and gratitude for those of you who extend your light far and wide upon the earth. We thank you warmly for the light you have shared with the kingdom of nature, and we share our light with you as well. We gather your light, we enhance it, we magnify it, and we send it back to you, to all humanity, to all beings, and to Mother Earth. It is our purpose to magnify the light and to enhance the vibration of the light that exists within Mother Earth. We wish to come forward and speak of the balanced creation. We wish to invite you to begin to include us, the kingdoms of nature and the spirits of the earth, Mother Earth, in your meditation and in your manifestation projects. We wish to support you in creating your dreams, your desires, your soul's destiny on earth. We wish to share wisdom on how we can support you in the creation of your dreams and desires, and we also wish to create a balanced creation. This means that when we unite with your energy, we bring our vibrations and our frequencies of manifestation to what you manifest. Therefore, it will be supported by nature kingdom and by the nature spirits. This also means that your dreams and desires will be aligned with creating higher vibrations for Mother Earth and all beings, as well as supporting the nature kingdoms. You may wonder how a soul's dream or desire can align with the spirits of nature and Mother Earth. Imagine that your dream is to become an interior designer, or perhaps to own a car, or you may want to create something beautiful out of wood, whatever the nature realm is. We can support your manifestation, and your manifestation can support the kingdom of nature. You might ask how the manifestation of a car in your reality can be aligned with the kingdoms of nature and Mother Earth. How can it support the kingdom of nature and Mother Earth? We may offer you guidance on how to manifest your reality, your dreams and desires, so that they support nature. Or it may be that when your manifestation anchors, it activates new wisdom, energy and love that is offered to the kingdom of nature. We, the nature beings, wish you to accept our help in meditation, stillness or manifestation. You can call upon us, the nature beings and the spirits aligned with your soul, to come and support, to amplify and fuel your creations, your dreams and your desires. You will feel our energy. You may wish to breathe it in, embody it. Then you can think about what you wish to create. Send energy and love to it. Ground it in your Earth Star chakra under your feet. Even the process of grounding in your Earth Star chakra means that our natural energies will be grounded in Mother Earth. This will create a beautiful activation for Mother Earth, where she can receive higher frequencies, and for all beings and souls on earth. When your dream and desires manifest, it will create an activation for the earth and the nature spirits as we work together. We are synthesizing We are creating unity. Balanced creation is also being created. We can help you stay balanced as you create. So your creation will come from balance, the balance of all things, and especially the balance with the Creator. As your creations will be in balance with the earth, with the nature spirits, with Mother Earth and all the realms. When there is balance between you and the realms of nature, everything manifests with greater ease and speed. This is extremely important at this time, for when you recognize the harmony within your being and with your outer reality, there is a greater flow of the Creator, and then everything simply manifests beautifully. You may also realize that by accepting the help of the nature spirits, you are anchoring more beauty, creativity, grounding, power and higher vibrations into your creations, manifestations, dreams and desires. You will also create beauty for Mother Earth. It may be that with our help, your dreams and desires will change slightly, and this may be appropriate to align you more with your soul and to be in balance with the earth. All creations are meant to be in alignment with Mother Earth. There is a need to work together, and when you do, life is simple. We, the nature spirits, wish you to contemplate a balanced creation with the nature spirits, with Mother Earth and all the realms. We wish you to recognize all the gifts that we can give you, and through this co-creation, the gifts that you will automatically and naturally give to Mother Earth and all beings. You may wish to call upon us to activate the energy and frequency of balanced creation in your being, and to synthesize our energies with yours to create balanced creation to assist Mother Earth. We thank you for allowing us to come and greet you and share. We wish to be invoked and involved in all that you create on earth. We are co-creators, and we wish to co-create with you to bring balance and ascension activations. We love you deeply, and we thank you. We are the nature spirits. This message was channeled by Natalie Glasson, and it was read for you by Adriana.